So today's November 21st. We're going to harvest some purple top turnips, and I believe I got some white top turnips over here, and maybe some Detroit red beets. Then we're going to pick some lettuce. We're going to cut a lot of this out. There's way too much growing in here. I'm going to be planting a bunch of lettuce over here. That's why I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. And we're going to pick some greens and some more beans down here at the end, and probably plant lettuce over there too. So I'll show you what's going on in a little bit. So we got the turnips out of here. Something got the watermelon, so I got rid of the plant. Might as well do something that's productive right now for winter time. And I got a lot of room cleaned out to grow some more stuff. I am going to do some more turnip greens and mustard greens. This is kohlrabi. We thinned out some of the plants. This probably take a couple more weeks. And we are starting to pick a bunch of tomatoes. Got one down there, a couple, and a couple over on that plant. And the purple ones, or the black cherries, they're starting to ripen up. And we're getting some sweet 100s over there. And we're going to be doing a pepper in a couple days. So we're just making out more room. This probably be the last time we get any mustard greens off of these plants. They're about spent out. And we're going to do some lettuce over here. We do have some carrots planted, but we shall see. We'll do a follow-up tomorrow.